Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a product that I've been using for my Air 3S, but this version of it is actually for the Mini 4 Pro, as you guys can see here. So I'm going to show you the differences between the version for the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3S. They are very similar, as you guys can see here. So here is the landing gear that we can attach to our Air 3S, and here is the landing gear that we can attach to our Mini 4 Pro. Very similar, as you guys can see, the little feet just open up like so. That's going to allow you to land. So I'm going to attach this to my Air 3S so you guys can see how it works. But both of them are going to have little clips on either side so that it mounts onto the fuselage of the aircraft. And again, like I said, it's going to allow you to have that stable landing platform. So on the Air 3S, if we look here underneath, you guys can see down here at the base, this will just clip on like so. Now you start it off by clipping it onto the top, and then you would just snap this into place like so. And then these legs open up just like that. And now you have landing feet for your drone. Now, why is that important? That's going to be important if you're going to be landing in sand, if you're going to be landing on dirt, or whatever the terrain might be where these propellers could accidentally clip something like long grass. I've had that happen to me a couple of times. So yes, guys, having, some of these little landing feet really come in handy. And once they're in place, you guys can see these just kind of lock out like so, and they are very stable. So I haven't tried packing my drone away, with these on. I usually just detach them, between each flight. But I have seen people that have run around with these, permanently attached to their drones. I'm not a fan of that, but they are very easy to remove and replace whenever you need to. So if you have a drone, either of the two drones that we're talking about here, if you have the Air 3S or you have the Mini 4 Pro, definitely take a look at these landing feet from Start RC. I think you'll be really happy with them. They have come in really handy for me. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.